Welcome to the SGS Key Chart Signals and Analysis. This is Morris. Now, I want to begin with an opportunity on the overall crude oil market and how to play that. The way we're playing it is going into the XLE. This is the Energy Select Spider, a good way to own a basket of energy stocks. A lot of big oil companies are in this. We have seen crude oil be completely washed out in 2020, and that means recovery could mean a very strong price improvement in the overall oil stock sector. We bought this at 35. It's currently at 39 and a half. I also wanted to pull up just a chart of a going back just over a year into the crude oil market, and notice what has taken place here. This is a breakout in price. The previous high in here had been right around 43. Right now, this market's up to nearly 46. What that tells you, this market could easily go back to those pre-COVID prices of $65 a barrel on crude oil, and what that does to XLE could be at least a 50% move higher in price, a real opportunity even if you didn't get in on the initial buy. The other chart in the overall ETF world that I wanted to look at tonight is XME. Now, XME is the Spiders S&P Metals and Mining, but this is a little bit different metals and mining. This is the industrial side of that. That's where we are more favorable at this particular moment for investment opportunities, is on the industrial side. It's the same premise as crude oil, going back to pre-COVID pricing of 65, upwards of 65 a barrel. The overall economy is going to heat up. The breakout has already taken place, and XME is a solid play at this particular point in time. I did want to highlight one individual precious metal stock, the SSR Mining. Of course, precious metals and metals ETF, individual stock. What this stock offers at this particular point is a move back up to the area of highs of 34. I have a very favorable view of where the metals markets go as we approach December, particularly the last week or two of the month, and then as we get into calendar 2021, and I see a full price recovery in the metals stocks. They've been consolidating. This particular stock has been consolidating since the early days of August, and as agitating as that can be for an investor, even in April this stock was trading at 16. It went all the way up to $34, and since has been consolidating the gains and correcting. It hits a new low for the move, but there's a bull wedge in play. Recovery in the month of December is likely, and moving back to highs on this stock and be actually through the highs is a real possibility going forward. That's all for now. This is Morris with SFS saying thank you.